Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I want to do a lip combo, and on this lip combo for today we're going to be using MAC Vino and the new lip color that I got from the Sephora VIP sale, which from Clinique. And so yeah, I'm going to line my lips with this Vino, which is a beautiful like wine color, and I think it will go perfect with the Clinique. Okay, so I finished lining my lips with Vino by MAC, and now I'm just going to apply Clinique's a beautiful like sheer berry type of lipstick. I mean, of course it's called almost lipstick. It's not as opaque as a regular lipstick, but it's just beautiful like for every day. I think it complements a wide variety of skin tones, and yeah, this is the lip color, the lip duo of the week. And thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.